Hey guys, here's the range video of the Cooey model 78 single shot that I promised. I've just got the crony set up because it's got quite a long barrel for a 22, and I reckon the barrel's long enough to where it will actually be decreasing the velocity of standard 22 LR. So I've got the Cooey here, I've got the Savage 22 over there with a shorter barrel. I'll do a comparison later on, but for now, here's just a quick overview of the Cooey 78. So that was 1125 feet per second, substantially lower than 1260. And we'll compare that to in the Savage later on. This gun's quite old. It's got a problem with the extractor, but nothing that can't be sorted out. $11.63. $11.69. And last shot of the 5-shot group. $11.53. Alright, I'm just going to have a look at the camera back here. Oh yeah, you can see them. So they're off to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so in the 8 and the 6 ring there. Alright, there's a fair bit of wind. I'll show you with this camera here. That flag's going nuts. That flag's going nuts, but I don't know if that's quite enough. Yeah, it could be a sight issue, could be a wind issue. But that's cool. I think I might go for another 5 shots. Yeah, sorry about this, the zoomed camera being a bit shaky, guys. It's I can't help it with the wind. Alright, another 5 shots, let's do it. Oh, actually, I'll do 5 shots with Remington bulk. It's just in the gunpowder container, but it's Remington bulk bucket o' bullets. $10.93. Wow. Very slow. $11.07. $11.88. Sorry, $10.88. $11.49. So a fair bit of difference here. Fairly large extreme spread. And that one was $11.19. Let me just double check this camera again. Oh yeah. So they're kind of, yeah, it's kind of high and right. High is good because it's point of aim at 100 meters. So I'm going to try that into the next target across. This is at 50 meters. This shooting's been at 50 meters. Yeah. Alright, that's not too bad. Definitely improving on my part for sure, but not too bad at all. Alright guys, well, that's been the video of the Cooey 78 range review. not really a review, but more of a range test, with Federal Bulk and Remington Bulk. Alright, cool. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers. Hey guys, here's just a quick comparison from the Savage to the Cooey. So as you can see already, I've done one, it's 1230. It's quite a difference. Yeah, 1226. So it's like a decent chunk of velocity faster in the shorter barrel. So yeah, the Cooey barrel was so long that it was actually decelerating in the barrel. I thought that was pretty cool. Alright, cheers guys.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked this one, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I've got a few more here for you to check out if you want to. Alright guys, thank you very much, and I'll check you out on the next one. Cheers.